Welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand how to write program for testing whether the given number is prime number or not. See, this is the fourth lab session. Slowly, our complexity of the lab programs increases. If you understand one by one, step by step, if you complete all the lab programs, then we can move on to the placement training. So now let's try to understand the mathematical intuition. Then we go and understand how this mathematical intuition is going to be placed into the program. That is what coding skill is. Coming to this, let's try to understand mathematically what is meant by prime number. The number that is divisible by 1 and itself. No other number should divide that number. Let's take 17. 17 is a prime number. It is divisible by only 1 and 17. Is 17 divisible by 2? No. Is 17 divisible by 3? No. Is 17 divisible by 4? No. Is 17 divisible by so on? Like that, how many numbers you have to check? See, 17 by 2, 8.5. Half of the numbers if you check, that's enough. Means up to 8. If no number 2 to 8, 17 is not divisible by any of these numbers, then definitely you can say that 17 is a prime number. This is the mathematical intuition which we know. If you had the capability to place this same mathematical intuition into the code, that is what coding skill is. That comes slowly, step by step, with multiple practice examples. That is what we are going to do in this course. Now coming to this, let's try to understand. See here, 17 by 2, 8.5. You have to consider this 8 value, means integer part. What we are going to do in Python? If you want to consider only integer part, floor division. Similarly, you need to understand the logic. 17, you need to check 17 divisible by 2 or not. 17 divisible by 3 or not. 17 divisible by 4 or not. Same work. You are going to do multiple times. If you want to do the same thing multiple times, you need a loop. So with this programming intuition, now we are going to write the code. So before we move on to the code, if you really like our content, please share it with your friends and please do subscribe to our channel. Here we are going to discuss computer science at architect level. Please check our content. Now coming to the coding part, you already know the mathematical intuition for prime number. See, let's take the number from the keyboard. You know how to take the number from keyboard and place it in a variable called num. If number is positive, then only we are going to apply this prime number logic. Otherwise, else we are going to display that number should be greater than 1. So if this else belongs to this if. Once the number is a positive number greater than 1, then how we are going to write the logic? See, you need to identify the middle number. So that's why num integer division means floor division by 2. 17 by 2. This is the example which we are following. So 17 by 2, 8.5. You have to consider only integer part 8. Why you are doing plus 1? Because this half value is going to be used in the loop for I in range of 2 to half. You need to consider 8 also. That's why 8 plus 1. This is the loop intuition. Hope you got good clarity. Yesterday in a previous class we already discussed. If you want to consider 8, half plus number by 2 plus 1. Then this range of function is going to take the values 2 to 8. So this loop is going to be executed so many times. How many times it is going to execute? I is going to take the 2 value. I is going to take the 3 value. I is going to take the 4 value. I is going to take the last one 8 value. 8 value. Value 8. So once it entered into the loop, the body of the loop, this is what we call it as body of the loop. You need to check whether the number is divisible by I or not. Why it is I? 17 divided by 2 or not. 17 divided by 3 or not. 17 divided by 4 or not? What's that value? The value is placed in variable I. So that's why if num modulus I, first time num modulus 2, second time num modulus 3, third time num modulus 4, if it is equal to 0 means the number is divisible by this I value. Once this condition happens, go inside, print it is not a prime number. If it is divisible by any of the number, it is not a prime number. Do you need to continue the loop once the number is divisible by any of these values? No. Come out of the loop. How we are going to come out of that loop? Use break statement. So break. Once you encountered any number that is divisible, any number is going to divide 17, then you come out of the loop, print not a prime number and come out of the loop. So now for this for loop, we are writing else. Why we are writing this else? If all the numbers is not going to divide, 17 is not divisible by any of the number, after completion of this loop, else part has to execute. Once all the numbers are over, what's the meaning? 17 is not divisible by any of the number. Then definitely you can say that print prime number. So initially you may get confused, but you need to understand this logic step by step. Practice it multiple times. Even though it's a small example, once you practice it multiple times, the next one will become easy. This is how you need to go. Hope you got good clarity about how you are going to identify whether the given number is prime number or not. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.